Hi, welcome back to Barbie rabiya. So today I'm thinking to make a video to make a DIY pencil stand. Okay, then for making this we need some space, but I don't think there is more space for doing the type of video. Maybe we need to remove this bed. Okay, I'll try to do that. Okay, I will stand here. It takes some time. 1, 2, 3, go! Ta-da! See, everything is done. Okay, I am ready. So I'm taking pencil, tape, scissors, a non-toxic gum, a half pot of bottle, dustbin to throw rest, and we're gonna make this type of one. Pencil stand. Okay. Let's begin. So first I'm taking this one piece of bottle, and next a A4 sheet is coming for me. I took a first sheet and a pencil, and now I will fold this A4 sheet. I'm taking length of the piece of bottle. So here I'm doing it like this. Okay, after doing this I will cut it with scissors. Like this I will cut and throw remaining part into the dustbin. Now after cutting, I will take pencil and I will draw a cute smiley face. Like this. Okay, now a sketch box is coming. Maybe pencil box. Okay, pencil box is coming. Here are some pencils, colorful pencils. Okay, now I'm taking peach color and black color. After coloring them, I will attach tape for shining. And I'm going to attach it with this bottle piece like this. Yeah, it is done. Pretty cute. And next, I'm having sparkle sheets. I need some cotton too. Cotton and red sparkle sheet. And drew like this with pencil, and I will cut it with the scissors. Like this. Okay, after cutting like this, I will leave some here stickiness. For stickiness, because we're gonna attach some cotton. And now, see here, we're gonna use cotton, gum, and this sheet. Magic! Just see this. Here, hat is ready. Santa hat is ready. Okay, now attach these two. Okay? Yeah, attach it. Wow! Look! Completed. A cute pencil stand for the Christmas. Woo! Okay, let's see time. Okay, now Rabia is gonna come. Let's gift it to her. She liked our gift. Okay. Thanks, Barbie. Thank you so much. Oh, why? No thanks between us. Aw. Okay. I hope you loved our video. Okay, peace.